Welcome to the Mint Report, our wrap-up of the day's business news. Here are the top stories. Wipro's numbers beat estimates, but the company's shares fall. ICICI Bank's profits rise, and markets end Monday in the red. It was a day of big corporate results with major companies across sectors posting second quarter earnings. Starting with IT firm Wipro, which reported continuing profits. Profit increased 1% to $265 million compared to the same period last year. That's on a revenue gain of 18% from IT services. Wipro said it expected revenue in the next quarter to hover around $1.5 to $1.53 billion. On the other hand, wage hikes have eaten into companies' profits. The operating margins went down to 20% in the second quarter compared to 22% in the first. Shares of the firm dropped 1.7% on the BSE on a day the Sensex lost 0.56%. Another big earnings announcement on Monday came from India's biggest private lender. ICICI Bank posted robust results that were supported by growing demand. Consolidated net profit rose 43% to 1,992 crores. That came along with a loan book that expanded 20% to 2.33 trillion rupees. CEO Chanda Kochhar said loans from companies grew during the second quarter, but she admitted growth in retail loans had slowed down. ICICI Bank also benefited from a surge in profits from its life insurance business to 350 crores. But investors weren't too enthused by the bank's performance. Its shares declined 0.26% on the BSE to 930 rupees. Moving on, FMCG giant Hindustan Unilever posted some of the best figures in the day. Beating expectations, the net profit surged 22% to 689 crores. Its net sales rose 18% to 5,522. HUL's numbers beat most estimates. The company benefited from a 10% growth in volumes in its domestic consumer business. The good news spurred a rally in HUL shares, sending it soaring 7.38% higher on the BSE to 375. And finally, Indian markets rallied in early trade on Monday, only to fall back and snap a four-day winning streak. The Sensex declined 0.56% to 17,705, and the Nifty went down 0.64% to 5,327. News of Wipro's robust earning fueled gains in some other stocks in the IT sector. Infosys closed 0.5% higher on the BSE at 2,875. But Tata Consultancy Services went the other way, dropping 0.49% to 1,114 rupees and 20 paise. Meanwhile, shares across other sectors declined on Monday. India's biggest company, RIL, dropped 2.26% to 878, and Tata Motors fell 3.76% to end at 198 rupees and 45 paise. And that's all we have for you. Thanks for watching.